स्टूडेंट्स, गुड इवनिंग। हम लोग आज वीडियो करने जा रहे हैं कंप्यूटर्स में 100 क्वेश्चंस जो जनरल नॉलेज के होते हैं। मतलब आप कोई भी एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो, ये आपके लिए यूज़फुल हैं। अगर आप कंप्यूटर की फील्ड से हैं तो आपको इसकी नॉलेज पहले से होगी। अगर आप कंप्यूटर के फील्ड के नहीं हैं तो ये बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं जो इंटरव्यूज़ में और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। तो ये आपके लिए बहुत करना नेसेसरी है। तो चलिए आइए करते हैं। हम लोग 100 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, बट 50-50 के पार्ट्स में करेंगे। तो पहले 50 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, फिर बाद में 50 करेंगे। आइए चलिए करते हैं क्वेश्चंस। Which of the following is not an example of software? Mouse is a part of hardware. How many parts are there in CPU? 2 parts. Next question, 1 byte is equals to how many bits? 8 bits. Next question, smallest unit of data in computer is. Next question, what is the full form of computer? Commonly operating machine, purposely used for technical and educational research. Next question, in computer keyboard shortcut key Control plus Y is used for redo. Next question, undo is done through Control plus Z. Next question, which of the following is not a front style? Bold, italics, underline and subscript. A program that performs a useful task simultaneously while allowing destructive act is known as Trojan horse. That is a malware जो आपके कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल हो जाता है. DPI stands for dots per inches. Resolution of a laser printer is specified in terms of DPI. Next question, which is the specialized software program that allows input and output devices to communicate with the rest of the computer system? Device driver. Main memory is which memory? RAM memory. So ये questions हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा blurred था. Now we'll come on to the next question. The ability to combine name and address with a standard document is called mail merge. Next question, 8 bits is 1 byte. Next question, website main page is called home page. Next question, which of the following has most storage capacity? DVD. Next question, which type of software is designed for users who can customize the program they use? Open source software. Next question, which shortcut key is used for spelling check? That is F7. Network interface card is an dash device, input output device. Next question, an input device that uses optical character pattern to input printed text is scanner. Next question, in an internet that is accessible by outside workers, extranet. Next question, in most of the cases operating systems such as Windows resides on the computer's hard disk. Next question, multimedia can contain dash graphics, animation, video, music and voice. So multimedia can contain graphics. Now next question, speed of the computer check is measured in megahertz and gigahertz. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ओनली मेमोरी। सो ये क्वेश्चंस आप देख सकते हैं। Now we'll come on to question number 27. Which of the following is the fastest memory? Cache memory. Next question, which of the following memories needs refresh? That is DRAM. Which term is used to describe RAM? That is static RAM or dynamic RAM, so both are used. The shortcut key for pasting, copying contents in a document is Ctrl plus V. In database, ACD stands for automaticity, consistency, isolation, durability. Next question, which MS Windows program is used to manage folders and files? Windows Explorer. Next question, which of the following is not an input device? Laser printer. Next question, a printed circuit board that adds additional capabilities and functions to a computer hardware is expansion board. Next question, formatting a disk means setting up sections on the disk to store the files. A method of ensuring integrity of a document is called digital signature. Communication between computer and keyboard involves transmission, simplex transmission, simplex transition. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग करेंगे, अ डिवाइस दैट कन्वर्ट्स डिजिटल सिग्नल टू एनालॉगी सिग्नल्स इज मोडेम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क? ARPANET, ARPANET. Next question, the first electronic computer was made in 1946. What does TCP stand for? Transmission Control Panel. Next question, ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Next question, how much data does a standard floppy disk hold? 1.44 MB. Next question, Fortran is called Formula Translator. Next question, which country has the largest internet user? China. Next question, which one of the following is an MS-DOS external command? That is format. Next question, direct access of file is also known as random access. Next question, to read a CD-ROM disk you need a laser beam. Next question, Internet Explorer is a type of browser. So last question is Google is what? Is a search engine. So ये questions आप देख सकते हैं. अभी हमने 50 questions किए हैं और ये आप क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हैं. ये आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने MCQs किए हैं कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए. 50 आज किए हैं, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 50 करेंगे. होप ये आपके लिए यूज़फुल हो.